which follows his transfer to HMS Bristol, Lord Carrington says it was also intended to impress the British public and the Russians through the press. But the Russians still opt for an eyewitness account. The aircraft carrier Ark Royal launches Buccaneers and Phantoms. Both types of aircraft are designed to carry out air-to-air and air-to-ship attacks with bombs, missiles, rockets and guns. At a time when Britain's place in the world is a matter for constant debate, the British Navy is still the third most powerful in the world.
London when the rains came. The scene's a street in South London in the aftermath of a freak storm which struck during the evening rush hour. In minutes it turned streets into rivers, flooded tube stations and railway lines, and left trains marooned and stranded as the power lines were cut. One Londoner wanted to know, hey, what's this, a monsoon? Fire and emergency services went on full alert. Hundreds of people had to leave their flooded homes to go to hastily set up receiving centres. Traffic jams built up behind instant lakes. Pedestrians just had to wade home. And there were other emergencies. What do we do now? Ladies too? Oh no! There were storms in the southern counties and in the northeast. Water, water everywhere. And as waterlogged Britons plough their way home through the waves, the annual question arises, is Britain really short of water? At London Airport, the Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh board their plane to Ottawa.